Friends, welcome. Really, I am delighted to your response to the early watcher membership offer, but I am receiving many calls that there is problem to join in membership by payment through debit card or credit card. So today I shall tell you the process how to join as an early watcher member. At first, log in to your mobile or computer by your own account so that your login ID should be seen in the top right corner of the computer or mobile. This will ensure that you have logged in your own account. Then go to YouTube, search Archididactics, then click on the My Profile photo which is in a circle. Then click on the Join button. A page will appear with Join this channel. Click on the Join button in this page. A page will appear with payment through Visa, MasterCard or any other card. But please keep in mind that you can make payment through your debit or credit card if these are activated for international use. So many friends are facing problem in their payment. Please keep in mind that you can make payment through your debit or credit card only if it is activated for international use. If it is activated for international use, then you can fill up the card number, other data like the expiry date, CVV number, etc. and can make payment. But if your debit or credit card is not activated for international use, you cannot pay through these cards. Alternatively, you can pay through Paytm. So to pay through Paytm, please follow this process so that you can join as a member. Open Paytm in your mobile. Go to search in Paytm. Then type Google Play in the search button. A page will appear with Google Play icon. Click on the icon. Then a page will appear to give the amount. Please enter the amount. Normally it should be rupees 29 because the membership fee is rupees 29, but Paytm takes minimum amount of rupees 75. So you have to enter minimum rupees 75 or more. But only rupees 29 will be paid to the channel as membership fee and balance amount will be in your Paytm account. You can use it for any other purposes. So out of 75 rupees, only 29 rupees will be paid as membership fee and balance amount will be in your Paytm account which you can use for any other purposes. After entering the amount of rupees 75 or more, click on the proceed icon. Next page will appear to pay through debit card or credit card or net banking or from your Paytm balance. Now you can pay through any mode. After payment, in the next page you will see one redeem code. You will also receive message in your mobile on the redeem code. Now you can use this redeem code for future payment. Now leave this page and open Google Play Store. But ensure that Google Play Store is open in the same email ID. So your login ID should be seen in the top right corner. Now click on the icon with three lines available in the left top corner of the page. Normally it is in the left top corner of the page, the three lines. Then after clicking, a page will appear with redeem option towards last part of the page. Click on the redeem option, then click on confirm. Now you will see two options, not now and see reward. Please click on the not now icon and leave the page. Now open your YouTube, search Archididactics, click on the my profile photo Normally it is in a circle or in round shape. Then click on the join button. A page will appear with join this channel. Click on the join button on this page. In the next page you can see your Google Pay balance. Now click on the arrow button which is in the right side of the Google Pay balance. Then click on the buy button. Now you will receive one welcome message and you have joined as a early watcher member. Hope now you have no doubt. Still you have any doubt, you may call to our friend Alok for further assistance. Please note down the phone number. His phone number is 943-966-0296 or 966-825-1073. Thank you.